For all you JDM fanboys, you guys know what this is. Racing Hart CP035's legendary lightweight wheel. This only weighs 9.9 pounds and 15 by 6. Now, why would you get a 15 by 6 wheel? Well, I'm slapping these on the AZ1, and the stock wheel for the AZ1 is actually a 5-inch. So going on a 6 is actually an inch wider, which is totally fine because we're going to be putting over fenders on this car. And I'm going to be refinishing these. I actually found these at Up Garage in Japan, and Moontech and Greddy shipped these over for me. And the condition's actually not too bad, as you can see right there. There's some dirt and whatever sticker adhesives right there, but you know, the sticker right there looks nice. No curbage. I mean, I could probably just buff this out. I mean, that you can't buff out. That looks like a little scuff. But which one would you guys run? My Racing Hart CP035s, these guys? Or the Sprint Hart CPFs that I just got powder coated?